Do you mind if I? Meaning, a polite way to ask for permission. Example, do you mind if I reschedule our meeting for tomorrow? Could you please? Meaning, a very polite way to ask someone to do something. Example, could you please forward the emails once you receive confirmation? Can I help you? Meaning, a polite offer to help someone. Example, can I help you with anything else before you leave? Would you like to? Meaning, a polite way to offer or invite someone to do something. Example, would you like to take part in the upcoming project? Are you sure? Meaning, asking if someone is certain or confident about something. Example, are you sure you have considered all the possible risks? Are you used to? Meaning, asking if something is familiar or normal for someone. Example, are you used to handling this level of responsibility? How often do you? Meaning, asking about how frequently something happens. Example, how often do you receive feedback from your supervisor? How long does it take to? Meaning, asking about the amount of time needed to do something. Example, how long does it take to complete the approval process? What do you think of? Meaning, asking for someone's opinion. Example, what do you think of the changes that were recently introduced? What if? Meaning, asking about a possible situation or result. Example, what if we postpone the lunch until next month? Let's plus verb. meaning making a suggestion that includes the speaker. Example, let's review the data before drawing any conclusions. Why don't we? Meaning suggesting an idea in a friendly way. Example, why don't we explore a few alternative options? How about plus verb ing, meaning making a casual suggestion. Example, how about extending the deadline by a few days? You should plus verb, meaning giving advice or a recommendation. Example, you should take this opportunity to improve your skills. You would better plus verb, meaning giving strong advice or a warning. Example, you would better double check the figures before submitting them. It is time to plus verb, meaning saying something should be done now. Example, it is time to address the underlying problems. Make sure to plus verb, meaning emphasizing that something must be done carefully. Example, make sure to follow the safety guidelines carefully. Don't forget to plus verb, meaning reminding someone to do something. Example, don't forget to attach the relevant documents. There is no need to plus verb, meaning saying something is unnecessary. Example, there is no need to make decisions immediately. I suggest that plus sentence, meaning giving a formal or a polite suggestion. Example, I suggest that we allocate more resources to this task. I think plus sentence. Meaning expressing a personal opinion. Example, I think this strategy has great potential. I don't think plus sentence. Meaning expressing disagreement or doubt. Example, I don't think the current system is efficient enough. I believe plus sentence. Meaning saying something you feel is true. Example, I believe he has the ability to handle this challenge. In my opinion, plus sentence. Meaning clearly stating your personal view. Example, in my opinion, the decision was long overdue. As far as I am concerned, plus sentence. Meaning giving your own point of view strongly. Example, as far as I am concerned, politics should never be compromised. It seems to me that plus sentence. Meaning saying how something appears to you. Example, it seems to me that we may need a new approach. I am convinced that plus sentence. Meaning saying you are completely sure about something. Example, I am convinced that they are capable of delivering excellent result. I have no idea plus WH word. Meaning saying you do not know something at all. Example, I have no idea what caused the delay. The point is, meaning introducing the most important idea. Example, the point is success depends on consistent effort. That sounds plus adjective. Meaning reacting to an idea or suggestion. Example, that sounds reasonable. In next tutorial, I will bring you English speaking practice lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.